everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have a Valentine's unboxing. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a luxury unboxing. I'm so excited. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider click the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So yes, hi, hello everyone. How are you doing today? I just received this piece in the mail like literally 10 minutes ago. So I had to like get myself ready, change clothes, and I came in here to film because I really wanted to do like a blind unboxing with you guys on camera, like a true unboxing with this item, because this is my second item that I'm purchasing from Redilux on Instagram. If you remember, I did my first unboxing with them last year and I got my blue classic flap. If you haven't seen that unboxing, I'll link it down below. Redilux is like they resell luxury goods. So it is run by Georgia and her husband Hunter, and they're just amazing people. I love them. They're great. But people send them their bags, shoes, SLG, stuff like that. They inspect them and then they resell them on their website. So I have bought from them before, very reputable. So I thought, because of Valentine's Day, I wanted to treat myself to something that I've wanted for quite some time. We did our taxes the other day. So we were able to keep a little bit more on taxes than we did last year. It actually went a little bit better for us, which is crazy. So I was able to put the tax money towards this baby right here. In here, we have this little card that is just like a little thank you note. And then we have this cute little card here for Valentine's. There's that, so cute. But I'm so excited that they did holiday packaging this year, like for Valentine's Day, because I think they did holiday packaging for Christmas last year. So I am so excited. Here is what the beautiful packaging looks like. It's in this pink wrapping paper with red flowers, and it has a red little Redilux bow. And I have not seen this item at all. It's true unboxing, have not seen it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. And also, this item is from Chanel, if you are curious. Well, I can't really be gentle with this, so I'm just gonna just tear into it, I guess. Okay. Here is the box, not a bag. It's not a classic flap, unfortunately. I did have a classic flap kind of saved on my profile, but I just didn't end up getting that. But it is still from Chanel. I'm so excited that I was able to get this because I have wanted these for so long. And then here is the beautiful Redilux packaging. Can you see? Oh my goodness. So there are 2 dust bags. Do you know what that means? I feel like you probably do know what that means. These are shoes. Now, I'm so excited because these are the best looking of these that I have been able to find online, because most of them look really bad, but these are from the 2022 C collection, I believe. And I have wanted these for so long and I just can't find them. I can never find them. My goodness, are you kidding me? I love them. So these are, again, 2022 C Chanel white and black sneakers. And of course, there's 2. I love these so much. Like, you just don't understand. I mean, you probably do. If you have any like Chanel sneakers, or if you like these, they're just amazing. I'm so happy I was able to find these. I went to the mall with my mom the other day, and they have a Chanel section in Nordstrom, and they did not have this exact pair of shoes. They had the same style, but they were in black. So I got to try on a couple different sizes just to make sure that the sizing was good. Now, I had to get these in like half a size up than what I would usually wear, because this that was available is a size 40, which I have usually never worn a size 40 in shoes. I'm usually between, like, in American sizes, I'm like an 8.5, usually a true 8.5, sometimes a 9 depending on what brand it is. In these, I guess they just run kind of small, so I tried on a 39, which was kind of tight. 39.5 was actually really good. If they would have had the 39.5, I would have bought those, but they didn't have any of them. But then I went back and I was like, let me just try a 40, like just give me a 40, let me see if it's way too big. But it wasn't way too big, it was actually fine. So the guy at the Chanel counter in Nordstrom told me that in the French sizing, these are French sizes, I guess. In the French sizes for Chanel, they typically run kind of small. So the 40 would be the equivalent to a 9 in American sizes, which is totally fine for me. I am so happy because I really wanted this colorway specifically. Look, I love them. And there's also another pair of sneakers from Chanel that I like a lot, and they say like Chanel on the back, and it's so pretty. That's these. And then in the box, it also comes with extra laces. So you also get a a black pair of laces with these. I just think these are amazing. I am gonna put them on for you guys just so you can see. Again, normally I wouldn't do a size 40, but these ones are totally fine in a 40. And I'm just so excited. They're so pretty. These are my first ever pair of Chanel sneakers. I've never had any kind of sneaker, or I was gonna say any kind of Chanel shoe, but I did used to have the Chanel loafers. I don't have them anymore, but I love these. And then when I was trying them on in the store, they're really, really comfortable. So very happy about that. And let me see if I can just like put them on. Oh, here is this. It's got a bunch of stuffing inside. And then since they're new, they're probably going to be a little tighter anyways. Don't mind me, I'm just putting them on. They're also kind of narrow. My mom went with me to try them on the other day, and she said that she found them to be kind of narrow. So, because even though this is a 40, it's like, it fits pretty snug. It's definitely not too big. Let me do. And I imagine like if I wear these in summertime as well, I think that when my foot like gets hot and if it like swells, then it will still be comfortable. And I'm also wearing pretty thick socks. I usually always wear pretty thick socks when I'm wearing sneakers. I wear my Aloe socks. Oh, they fit so good. I love them. I wanted to kind of tell you what happened regarding like shipping and stuff. This is why I love Redilux. They're just so nice because I did pay for the overnight shipping. The overnight shipping is $100, I guess $99. So it's not cheap shipping. And I ordered them on Saturday. They were shipped out on Monday, but when I got the tracking information, they said that they wouldn't arrive until today, which is Wednesday. So I did email them and I said, hey, so excited to get the item, but I see that it's not going to arrive overnight. Would I be able to get refunded for the overnight shipping? And they replied, and they were so nice, and they said, oh my gosh, we're so sorry. It looks like our shipping department must have just missed it. So they did refund me the shipping, but they didn't charge me regular shipping because I think the normal shipping is like $9, maybe $10. So I basically got free shipping. They said, don't worry about it, and they refunded me the $99. So that was really nice of them to do that. There's that. Love them. They're really, really kind. But But you guys, that has been my Chanel unboxing for today. Let me know in the comments what you think of these sneakers. Let me know if you like them. Let me know if you also have a pair of Chanel sneakers, or if you have a different style, or if you are in the market for some, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!